Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to compare GitHub Copilot Pro and free. GitHub Copilot Pro is designed for professional developers and frequent coders. It offers unlimited code completions, advanced AI chat features, code review and debugging support, access to premium AI models for better accuracy, and automated coding tasks. The Pro version ensures developers can work faster and more efficiently with fewer limitations. On the other hand, GitHub Copilot Free is aimed at beginners or those working on smaller projects. It provides AI code completions in supported IDEs, limited access to Copilot Chat, support for multi-file editing in some IDEs, uses basic AI models for suggestions, and allows blocking public code suggestions. While it is free to use, it has restrictions on monthly completions and chat requests and lacks premium features. GitHub Copilot offers 3 pricing plans: the free plan at no cost, the Pro plan at $10 per month, and Pro Plus at $39 per month for more advanced features and higher usage limits. Now let's check the user reviews on Trustpilot. Users have mixed experiences with GitHub Copilot. Many find it very helpful, especially for coding assistance, AI chat, and automating tasks. Some users, however, faced issues like the Pro version stopping unexpectedly, occasional errors, and limitations on higher-tier packages. Users also mention that the free plan works well for smaller projects and integrates smoothly with local repos and GitHub Actions. Overall, it's praised for boosting productivity, but still requires human oversight for accuracy. Now let's check the GitHub Copilot free features. It provides AI code completions in supported IDEs and includes limited Copilot Chat access. It supports multi-file editing in some IDEs, uses basic AI models for code suggestions, and allows blocking of public code suggestions. Now let's talk about the GitHub Copilot Pro features. It offers unlimited code completions without monthly limits, provides unlimited chat with advanced AI models, includes code review and debugging support, gives access to premium AI models for better accuracy, and supports automated coding tasks and multi-file changes. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of GitHub Copilot Free. On the positive side, it is free to use without any cost, good for small projects or learning purposes, and gives access to basic AI code completions and chat features. On the downside, it is limited to 2,000 completions and 50 chat requests per month, does not provide access to premium AI models or advanced features, and offers slower and less accurate suggestions compared to Pro. Then let's check the pros and cons of GitHub Copilot Pro. On the positive side, it provides unlimited completions and chat with base models, access to premium AI models with faster and smarter suggestions, and is best suited for professionals and frequent coders. On the downside, it requires a paid subscription of around $10 per month. Premium model usage still has a limited monthly quota, and AI suggestions can still be inaccurate and need human review. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.